behind the house.
Strawberries.
Come back a bit, Josh. You'll probably have to see them.
Strawberries.
Yep, get a much better view back here.
Strawberries.
Over there. Woo! Ba-boom. Oh. Woo! Yes, the bins! Don't even know if there are bins, but who cares?
On the outside of that,
Maybe staffies. Hello. I'm not climbing on the wall because if I fall over there, I think I might break my thumbs. My vagina. I know, right? Or I could jump over that wall, then I could run around and I could knock the fence down. It's quite hard, but still hear the ones in Blackpool. Do you remember when? Woo! I'll sing on you. Right, everyone. I've knocked on my best mate, like Sappy, like 5 times, and she's not answering. But all the lights are on. Look how bright the moon is. Hello? Where do you come from? Get down. I've been waiting. Like I'm normal. No, because I saw the flash there. Someone was shouting.
Charlotte.
Oh my god, they look creepy. No, the birds. That's creepy. Hello? Dog, where do you come from?
Where did you come
Left,
from? Where
north,
did you
right,
go?
south, east, west.
12 o'clock.
That was that way. Oh, they're there. Where's me going? Right, I really don't care now. Woo!
No, Charlotte, don't.
Why? It's funny. Oh, there's a big one. Going up to the moon and then... Come! It was about this big and it made the loudest bang of them all. They are, we just can't see them. So if you put down there, we'll see them. Let's try. Come on, Josh, follow me. I know where you might be able to get a really good view. Standing on that corner near Roxanne's there. Just remember, what was it? A whack! That was funny as well. Same. I'm eating my hair. How funny is that? Right. I've been waiting. Let's do. I've been down there, Josh. Do some Greek dancing here. Really? Think I was wrong. I think you get a worse view down here. Car, run it. You know the fireworks, Josh? The bin! I screamed because the fireworks scared the life out of me. Because it was just... Where are they? Bin! This video is pretty much just loads of black and loads of screaming, but... Huh? Huh? Who are they? Can't see them! There! Josh. When are you to come back?